Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add people on Trello, so let's get right into it. Now, you're going to be adding people to your workspace. You cannot add them individually for boards. However, what you can do is send the links to the board to other people and restrict the access that way. However, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add people into your workspace, and you do that by going into the members tab here and clicking this plus icon, and it'll give you a prompt to enter an email address or name to invite them to your workspace. You can also create a link, and anybody with the link can enter the workspace as well. Now, if you add an email address or a name, and you should have their email address information if you want to send them an invite, they'll have to accept, and once they accept, they will be part of your workspace, and that is pretty much all you have to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.